everyone, today I will be unboxing and reviewing a 1995 Toyota Supra drift car. So this one is from the brand Jada. I have reviewed before the Mustang. You guys could go back and watch that video. So let's get started with this one. So we have here, okay, let's go. So this one, I actually bought it at Ross for, I don't know if you guys could see right there. But anyways, it was $34.99. I actually bought two just because I had never seen this type of ones, like the Supra. I had only seen like the Mustang, so I was like, might as well just buy both of them. So one I already opened it, but this one I'm opening it. I'm opening it for the video. So the cool part of this one is that it comes with an extra set of tires. I'm gonna leave those right there. Just so this is the controller. Here's the on and off button, and here's the boost button. So these ones already come with the batteries on it. Yeah, so yeah, like they come already with the batteries, so you don't have to add any. And you just unscrew these. Okay, so so here it is, a 1995 Toyota Supra. Oh, one more thing I forgot. Okay, so there you go. You can see. I actually really do like it. I like the way it colors and like everything. Really cool. So okay, so in the bottom, so these are 4-wheel drive. Although I believe I did see a YouTube video where I don't know exactly, but like basically you could like open it up and like take off the, to make it basically rear wheel drive. So anyways, Here's the charger for it. It's in here. You just connect it to the USB and to the wall outlet, and you charge it, and that's it. Sometimes they do come out charged. Hopefully it is a little bit charged so I could show you guys. But yeah, like so. Ooh, it looks, it does have some battery. Okay, it's connected. You see, guys, it's 4-wheel drive. Okay, so but yeah, anyways, yeah, so this is the 1995 Toyota Supra. I'm gonna show you guys how it works, review it a little bit, and then I'll tell you guys how it goes. Okay guys, so here it is. I already turned it on and everything. I'm gonna start. Okay, Jerry, move. Jerry, move. Jerry. But yeah guys, there it goes. There's the video. Comment down below, like this video, subscribe, and thank you for watching.